Okay, guys, let's talk a little bit about example four. And before we go here, let's review just a little bit, and so we can find work with the diameter, guys. So let me see if we can work from. Let's do a little practice problem right about here. Okay, let me see if I can make that a little bit smaller. Okay, so we have a problem, guys, in which um, we have tires and rims together. And they're saying here, guys, what if we have a situation in which we have the rim of a tire, which has a radius of 7.5 inches, and the width of the tire is 6 inches. And we're assuming, there's almost no space between them, so they're together. So let me just real quick, just kind of go to here and visualize this just a little bit, guys. So what they're saying is, what if you have a tire, a perfect tire right there? And then the rims are, oh, that's a rim right there. And then the tire is right here. But the radius, I'm sorry about that, it's not like the greatest. The radius right here, from here to here, it is 7.5 inches. 7.5. Okay. So the radius equals to 7.5 inches. And the width of the tire, and the width of the whole tire, guys, I mean, this one right here is 6 inches. Okay. Okay. So and they would like to find the circumference of the rim, and only the rim, guys, for this one. So they just want the circumference of the rim. So we will not even worry about the tire right now. So let me see if I can get this. Yes, so we can visualize this. So they would just want the circumference of the rim. Okay. So with the circumference of the rim would be something like this. Okay, let me see if I can get this one smaller. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me see if I can get that. There we go. Okay. So they want the circumference of the rim. Okay, so the circumference, remember the formula for the circumference is 2 pi r. And you say, well, that's no problem. Yeah. Why is that's not a problem, guys? It's because we can substitute, right? We can substitute 7 inches, 7.5 inches. We can substitute it right here. I'm going to grab this 7.5 inches. I want to substitute it for r. Okay. So really what I'm going to have is 2 pi times 7.5 inches. Okay. Okay. And that will give me the circumference. And we go back and we can use the calculator, guys, which is really cool right there. And I'm going to clear that out. So it's 2 pi. We say it was 2 pi. So I'm going to go 2. I'm going to put 2 here, and then the pi, which is right here. Can you see it? Then I'm going to open the parentheses. I don't even have to open the parentheses, guys, if I did not want to. So I'm going to go 7.5, and I'm going to get 47.12. 47.12, right? So if we get that, guys, we can see that would be the circumference, 47.1 or 47.2. Let me see what is the question here that they ask. And let me see. Okay. Let me see. And they gave it in terms of pi. Can you see that? So we did not even have to do that. All we had to do was multiply that. And that will give us 2 times that would be 15. So it should be C, right? Because I'm going to go one step further here. Okay. And if I go one step further here, I'm going to find that C really is 2. No, I'm sorry, not 2, but 15. 15 pi. And so they serve in terms of pi. Okay. And what assumption can we make while solving this problem to select all that apply? We can assume the radius of the. I assume the no, we did not assume that. We got it. I assume the radius of the no. I assume that the tire was a perfect circle. Yeah, we did that. I assume the width, no, we got that one. I assumed that there was no space for the diameter. We assumed that. So we got that too. The other was given to you. Okay. And we also assumed that the tire and the rim were not the same shape. Um, well, not really. I mean, it's just given there. So it's B and D, guys, when we do this. Okay. So I hope that helped a little bit, guys. That's like a review. So let's see if we can go down just a little bit. Let me see. Let me make this smaller here. And let's go. Let me go. I'm going to go here. Okay. Okay, guys. Right about there. Okay. So for example 4, guys, they want us to find the radius, the diameter and radius of the nearest hundred. The circumference of the circle is this time they give you the circumference. They want you to find the diameter and the radius with the fact that they give you they want you to find both of those. So what you do here, guys, you say, well, that's the circumference will be 2 pi r. They want you to find the diameter, but well, you need to find the radius first, right? So what you do is you say, okay, I'm going to substitute what they give me, which is I'm going to grab this in here, and that will help me find the radius. So I'm going to go 778 equals to 2 pi r. And I need to solve for everything. And let me see if I can do that. And I'm going to go and more or less, if you can see that, I'm going to divide everything by, I could find the radius first. I could do it that way. So here they find the radius, because they go pi, you can see right there that they do that, and that's okay. Or you can just find the radius first. So this, in this situation, we'll find the radius, and then we'll find pi, okay? So, I mean, pi, find the radius. Okay, so watch this, guys. We go here and say, okay. First of all, I'm going to divide both sides by 2 pi. I'm going to divide everything by 2 pi. Okay. So if I do that, I'm going to get my radius. That's another way of doing it. So I'm going to go to my calculator, my dandy calculator here, guys. Boo, 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 boo. And I gotta get 77.8. So I'm going to go here. So I'm going to clear that out. So I'm going to go, let me see. So I got 77.8. And I'm going to divide that, guys, by 2 pi, right, guys? Right? And that will give me my radius. And we got 12.3, let's say 12.4. Okay? To the nearest tenth, I hope. 12.4, 12.4, 12.4. And so this is 12.4. So if I do this here, guys, I'm going to find that this is 12.4. And I double that, right, guys, to get my radius. So 2r will be equal to the radius, to the diameter. So if I do that, I'm going to get 24.8 or something like that, okay? There you are. See? Very simple. Of course, or you could have done it the other way around. As you can see, if we were to follow here the same format, and we would find the diameter there, which was 24.28, okay? Let me see, 24.28. We will get exactly the same value. Okay, guys? Okay, now we can do the check problem without any problems, guys, and we'll be fine. Okay? Find the diameter, guys, please. Okay,